Introduction to Automating Notion.
Notion is a powerful tool for managing notes, tasks, and projects. But did you know you can make it even more efficient? By integrating Notion with third-party automation platforms, you can create workflows that save time and reduce manual effort. Let's explore how to set up these automations and streamline your daily routines.
Connecting Notion to automation platforms.
To get started, you'll need a third-party platform like Zapier, Make, formerly Integromat, or IFTTT. These services connect Notion with hundreds of other apps. Begin by creating an account on your chosen platform and authorizing access to your Notion workspace. This connection allows these tools to read and write information in your Notion databases securely.
Popular automated workflow examples.
Common automations include syncing calendar events, posting tasks from emails, or tracking project updates. For example, when you receive a new email with a certain label, Zapier can automatically create a task in your Notion to-do list. These workflows let you centralize information and reduce repetitive data entry.
Building your first Notion automation.
Start by choosing a trigger like a new Google Calendar event. Next, set an action in Notion, such as creating a new page or updating a database. Fine-tune how information is copied, select which fields transfer, and map them accordingly. Test your automation to ensure it works. Then activate it to start saving time right away.
Tips for managing and optimizing workflows.
Keep your automations simple at first to avoid confusion. Regularly review and update workflows as your needs change. Make sure to manage your third-party app permissions and security carefully. Most platforms offer monitoring tools to view automation history, helping you troubleshoot and refine your setup for optimal results.